Okay. Um, Hopefully y'all have seen the squirrel video. It was in that tree. You could just barely see its head. Is that a squirrel? Nah. We do have a black squirrel coming around, but I haven't seen it today, but an animal was just moving here, so that's why I'm recording, to maybe try and get it on camera. It's actually 80 degrees out, but if you can't tell, there's a storm coming in. Oh, and right after making that squirrel video, I scared a deer off. Tried getting footage of the deer, but no, not gonna happen. I'm hoping, I'll find a squirrel, not a squirrel, a snake. Because it's actually nice out. It was really hot this morning, and like at 3, because it was 82, but it's stuck down at like 80 now. But it's still, like, it's starting to cool down. And it's actually 6. Let's see real quick. Never mind, can't. Huh. Of course I can't right now. But yeah, I used to. Oh, 6:22. There we go. I'm shocked I haven't seen any, like, rat snakes or anything out. But maybe it's just how unbearably hot it is. I'm not sure. Lost my balance for a second. It is actually really nice out. Something that just moved over there. Huh. Okay, that's definitely it. Yep, squirrel. Or wait. No. Yep. That was looked like it had something on its back. Huh. But yeah, hopefully y'all seen the squirrel. Reason why I don't get good footage is because I never pay attention to my phone screen. But I'm fairly certain I recorded it. Squirrel's still out, so that's good. Maybe it won't be a total bust after all. Ringnecks haven't been back recently. Granted, I think I messed with them too much. So they won't be back for a little while until I forget about those rocks. Then that's when they'll be back. Bird. Like a woodpecker, I think. Not sure. Oh, gator's out. Okay. I was about to say, please don't be coming up this way. I can't really move out the way. And I don't need you scaring any animals off. But yeah, this is the tree. Like, right that thing there is where it was at. And also, I should have talked about it, but I didn't. Squirrels will hide onto the thing because they're not very brightly colored. Our North American squirrels, and shoot, even the red squirrels in the UK and France and all of those ones. Those European squirrels, they're not blue jay. They're not brightly colored to blend in with their the reason why, like, they're gray, brown, stuff like that, if you didn't already know, reds, is to blend in with the give me a second. Is to blend in with the tree barks and all of that. But also, the reason why many black squirrels are so common is because genetics, but also the darker a habitat, the darker a squirrel will be. So, for example, squirrels that are like, I wouldn't call them blonde, but like that's what they are, blondish tan, are ones that live in lighter, woods. So the ones here kind of have like a bluish tint to them to match the woods and all that. Grasshopper. Huh. But yeah. Shocked no deer was out here again. But yeah. I think because it is baby dropping season, I think that's why the snakes are so hard to find right now. Because they're currently making their babies. And there's probably also a reason why any of the... Ooh, look at the rabid wolf spider. No, just... right there. Little arachnophobia. Yeah, but not as bad as it used to. What are those ants doing? Anyways, time to check this rock. Of course, nothing. I think birds calling. Let's see, maybe we'll flip a snake under this board. Nope. Of course not. Can never be treated good. It's alright. Yeah, this is the snake shed rock. You can see, that's the shed right there I dropped. And it has no head on it, so I have no clue what it is. Okay. Just learned, those are called bombarder beetles. Apparently, you don't want to pick those up because they secrete like I wouldn't call it acid, but I'm not sure what it is. Something that hurts when scared, so yeah. But they look almost like assassin beetles to me, so either way, I'm not picking those up. And yeah. Yep, can smell the rain coming in, so it's not that bad though. So we're gonna have a rain, so gonna be fun. So hopefully tomorrow, maybe. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get around to doing a cryptid time video. I'm really struggling to find a snake. And also, yes, turkey tracks. Not sure if I showed them off yet, but turkeys came back. It's actually kind of quiet out, so if it's raining tonight, I'll probably have some videos of either me catching some crawfish or toads or frogs. Who knows? Maybe I'll come back up here when it's raining, even though that's dangerous and stupid as can be, but never know. Ooh. Maybe that was it. No. I don't think that was a buck. I think it was just a female deer. Also, there's no point in going back there anymore. Well, right now, because the ants are out in force. And I couldn't care less than flipping those rocks. Ouch. It's kind of like with squirrels. It's kind of like how deer are. So deer that are more red are more of like, I wouldn't call them desert species, but like the red ones and more tanner ones kind of thrive in this area because they're easier to blend in with, like the dead grasses and everything. That's why in woodlands like this, there can always be a mixture, because ash and then just straight, I'm not sure what to call these woods. Also, there's still movement of creatures coming out of these holes, but I don't know what those are. And personally, I don't want to stick my hand in there just to have it bit off by an angry raccoon. Raccoons are scary as is. Please don't be a mouse. Oh God. Or did I tick off a raccoon? Oh God, I hate rodents. Ugh. Rodents scare me. And I have seen rodents run across this road, so. But yeah. And there's a possible chance, I don't believe it though, but there is supposedly a bear sighting around here too, so gotta watch out for those. But like I said, I highly doubt it. I think people are just talking out their bums, pretty much. all of this is actually kind of cool to watch like fall off, like the layers. Because what this is like almost like a involuntary sedimentary. Ow! Involuntary sedimentary rock. Because it's like just once you're caked on mud, it's on it. I'd love to walk back to where those grouse were, but I don't feel like it, and I'm also alone now, and I have no knife, because I normally don't carry a knife on me unless it's hunting season. You know, if I get something so I can skin it and gut it out. Might start doing that with fish, and in case I catch a fish I want to... Is that a frog or... I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm starting to be able to smell the rain a lot more. I'm gonna check around here and all of that too. Can never be too safe. And also, if it wasn't in... there's a gnat messing with my face. But no, if I wasn't in shorts and a t-shirt, I'd walk through here, but don't feel like having ticks on me either. Or spiders. Or any bug for the fact of the matter. Even if it's just a little inchworm too. Which I've noticed you see them more during the fall. And cool. Nope, not gonna be able to lift that rock. I'm probably not even gonna lift any of these rocks. Just because I've already lifted them. But just wanted to look around. Also, I just seen a paw print back there, but I'm not looking at it because it doesn't look too good of a paw print. Might check. Ooh. I'm shocked there's no, like I said, I'm shocked there's no water snakes or queen snakes, which, I'm shocked there's no snakes under this rock. But, like, with all of this cover and all of that, because a water snake's defense mechanism is to just drop off of a limb into the water. They could easily do that, and then they'll be carried down to, ooh. Now, if this is a doe track, she stepped wrong. But considering how wide it is and how big, that's a big buck track. So I think that big buck I seen with my uncle this hunting season, or last hunting season technically, was the thing. Which, if that's the case, he's closer than ever before. But who knows? Anyways, I'm gonna leave the video here. Hopefully, it's on camera, that squirrel. And yeah. So until the next time, I'll see you all on the next hunt. Bye.